there.
Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are again here on the website of millennialmoney.com, and on this website we have got a blog about Survey Club. It is a website that is going to pay you if you just answer them for their surveys. Right, so let's go for this, whether it's legit for us or not. Is Survey Club worth your time? It's one of the original ways to make money doing online surveys. Check out this Survey Club review to see if this is something to add to your roster. What is Survey Club? On any survey site, you are trading some of your free time for extra money. You won't get rich. No, survey site can replace a full-time job or even a part-time job. But you could earn some extra cash to eat out a couple times a month or to pay the internet bill. The key is to build Survey Club into your daily routine. Do you spend a lot of time on the bus or in line? Do you have spare time built into your workday? You could use this time to answer surveys and turn this extra time into extra money. Once you earn at least $25, you can cash out to your account. Survey Club pays in cash via PayPal or in Amazon gift cards. How does Survey Club work? About 16 million people worldwide have joined Survey Club. Millions more use Survey Junkai and other survey companies to make money online. So how can online survey sites afford to pay so much people actual money on every month just for answering surveys on their smartphones? Survey Club makes money by selling public opinions. All the answers to all the surveys become market research which businesses and marketing companies need and will pay for. When you share your thoughts on products and service at surveyclub.com, you are helping provide valuable data and research. So why not get some extra cash in return? That's what survey sites like Survey Club do. They gather public opinion and act as a middleman connecting the public opinion and businesses who want to know how the public will respond to their products and services. Survey Club features. New survey sites pop up all the time with so many survey opportunities out there. What sets Survey Club apart? For one thing, Survey Club has had a lot of time to improve its platform. Founded in Colorado back in 2005, Survey Club is one of the original online survey sites. The sign up process is seamless. Finding surveys isn't time consuming the way it can be with other survey companies. Here are some of my favorite Survey Club standout features. Filter features. Survey sites have a tendency to let you start a survey and then kick you out once your answers show that you are not in the survey's target demographics. This is annoying because you get credit only for completed surveys. A survey you don't complete equals wasted time. Survey Club's filter feature lets you find out whether you qualify for a survey before you start answering the questions. You won't qualify for every survey opportunity on this site, but at least you won't waste your time answering surveys that earn you nothing. Connect with other survey panels. Unlike most other survey companies, Survey Club is an aggregator rather than a single platform. It's a collection of platforms, a hub of sorts. This means you could be redirected to other sites known as research panels to take a survey. This may be disorienting for some users, but it opens up more chances to complete surveys and earn extra cash. The downside is that your rewards may be spread across a few different survey sites, but the upside is the possibility of finding higher paying survey opportunities at other sites. For example, Survey Club could direct you to a paid focus group or clinical trial, which could earn you more extra cash than a typical survey online. Focus group available through Survey Club include mini focus groups. These include a couple of people and don't take very long. Teleconference focus groups, usually done via phone call or webcam to get your opinion. Two-way focus groups. Two-way focus groups observe each other and provide and provide comments, observations, at or opinions about the other group's behavior. These research studies typically seek niche demographics groups and don't get bumped if you don't qualify for them right away. Other interesting research panels. If you like a little variety in your survey answering side hustle, you will like the variety of survey clubs can provide. For example, you could even find taste tests on Survey Club. They will send you actual products to test in your home. It's not all about answering questions on your phone. Survey Club earning potential. As with most other survey sites, Survey Club is free to join. You could start earning extra money today. But like I said up top, don't quit your day job just yet. Most surveys don't pay much. So you may earn $1 or even less for a survey. This is the case for all survey sites. Your earning accrue gradually, a dollar here and there, and then one day you may get lucky and get connected to well-paying focus groups and research panel and earn $20 or more, even about $100. So guys, this is about this website. You can go for more if you want to learn more. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.